Sige, sir. Adam's family. O, mali. Mami, yan po. Mali. Wait lang, baby, Anyone who knows the title of that movie, napakaganda na to. Clue! Parang alam na ng bago, bibigay na siya ng clue eh. Annabelle, hindi po mali. Yes! Wednesday, mali. Yung bida dyan, ginaya ni Paulo sa make-up. Ay, naku, alam na. Yes, sir. Seryoso na tayo. Sige, sir. Ano sagot? Maleficent is correct. Sige, sir. Kaya premyo. Maleficent. Wala sa likod. Wala. Sir na. Sige, go. Mission Impossible. Kasi hindi puro nila Spider-Man, mali. Sir, very good. Pirates of the Caribbean. Okay. Sir, kapuhay lang lang yan. Okay na ba ang food natin? Are the food is ready? Bigay lang po ng cue, Okay. Okay na? Is the food ready? Okay, but before that, we're going to have our photo off. Alright, listen now. We are going to have our photo off first, and then after that, I guess the food is ready. So, saan tayo mag-start sa VIP na tayo? Diyan na po tayo mag-start, ma'am. On that table. Okay. So, mamaya na later on yung games natin para mas hyper kayo sa ating top trophy.